So here's the problem I have with Road to Playoffs for Xbox One. When I try to play, go to here, and I wait to face somebody. And for some reason, when it gets to this screen, you're gonna see, I don't know if, I mean, it's been happening a couple of times. It just loads. I don't know if anyone else is having this problem, but it doesn't go to the screen where you can edit your lineup. So I can't even play online. All these people are getting screwed over. Pretty much just gotta sit here. And I don't want to quit because then I don't get any points. So hopefully I have to just wait and see if they quit. I wait like 30 minutes. Hopefully they don't want to wait either. So I get some my team points and I don't lose the game, but it's just so stupid. I want to play online, but I can't.